everyone, my name is Phyllis Slider, and I am reviewing a bag that was sent to me by Beth at Herder Lodge. Herder Lodge is on Facebook. It's a private group of leather enthusiasts. That's also linked to Herder Market. Herder Market is where all of the ladies go, all the gentlemen go and talk about new brands, new items that are coming out, really neat things that leather enthusiasts really like to get together and talk about. It's a great community, something you really should check out. So we are going to have an unboxing today, and then we're going to do what does this fit. So a little bit about me. I'm a Herder Lodge member. I've been a Herder Lodge member for over a year, almost 2 years now. I became interested in leather back whenever I was a young kid. We had a farm and we had saddles, tack, things like that, and I just loved the leather room. Unbox this beautiful bag. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. This one is the mini, and it is a two-tone. So let's hop into the unboxing. A couple of things I wanted to go over in the unboxing is the size and kind of the hardware, different ways that you can wear it. Also, there is what can fit inside. So that is something I'm really excited about. Okay, awesome. So the box is already open for you guys. And then inside, this is what it looks like, and it's sent to us from the company in this beautiful bag here. So let's move this out of the way. Perfect. All right, you guys ready? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. It does smell very, very good. Here it is. Awesome. Okay, like I said, it was two-toned here. And then here's the back. Nice zipper pocket on the back. The zipper feels very nice. And so you see, here is where the backpack bottom straps fit. And then it's also shoulder carry. Sorry, we have construction going on, guys. I apologize. So on the top, there's two zippers. So if you close the middle right there, you have one that goes this way and one that can go this way, and opens up, and it is lined. So here is one of the straps. It's a nice long strap. Here is another strap. And then here is a third strap. So the nice thing about this is you can carry it many, many ways. You have two straps that are your backpack straps, right? So you put these on. They're very easy to clip on. They have plated metal hardware, so that helps keep it light. Some people like the full hardware. Anyway, so if you go on here, these are really simple to clip on. And they're very adjustable. So these adjust all the way up, all the way down. This side as well. So you just snap it right on. Like that. And like this. And now you have it in backpack mode. But you can also do shoulder carry. Right? You can do shoulder carry, or even better, so there's another way to carry it, and that is crossbody. So multi-function, which is really, really nice, because if you're out and you want to change the way that you're wearing it, say you're at an airport or something like that, and you need to be hands-free, you can change into that crossbody mode, and it's very adjustable. So with everything on, it looks like that, right? Whenever you do take these off, these are very smooth against the body, so I don't foresee those rubbing or anything like that. So if you look at these nice straps and how they're hooked onto these D-rings lay very flat. Perfect. It smells wonderful. Okay, so inside, I'm just gonna pull it out. Like I said, it is lined. And then on this side, on the side in the front, there are 2 pockets, like phone pockets or slip pockets like that. And then on the back, on the inside, there is a zipper pocket. And this zip pocket goes, I'm gonna get my hand in there, about 5 or so inches deep, right? So it's got a good size there. All right, let me stick it all back in there. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's take these off really quick. So I can kind of give you guys a view of the back zipper. Perfect. So to kind of start giving you guys an idea of the size, on the website, this is 13 high, 9 wide, and 3 inches deep. So if you compare it to a water bottle, which is always great for me, trying to gauge the size of something if you look at a water bottle, right? Look at the side. I don't know if this will fit a water bottle. So inside here, which is really neat, are these magnetic snaps. So if you stick something in here, it will snap back and it will be closed. This will not fit a water bottle, I don't think. Oh, nope. It might after it's been stretched out a little bit, but it will not right now. So you have 2 of these pockets on each end. Both have this nice snap. Then on the back, you have this nice deep pocket that will easily fit your cell phone. It's also lined as well. So it goes all the way down to the bottom of the actual bag on the inside. The handles feel very nice on the grip. Yes. So like I said, American company. Then it is made by people in Latin America, Guatemala, and two-tone leather, just beautiful, beautiful leather. Plated hardware, front hardware is plated, this as well. And then on the bottom, I have not shown you guys yet, are feet. And I will tell you guys, I love having feet on my bags because it keeps it off the ground. When we travel, it's just really nice to be able to set it down. The marbling on this bag is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can really see that. It is just stunning, right? Okay, so let's talk about what it fits. The water bottle easily stands up inside here. And then sunglasses case. That's a very chunky sunglasses case. I also have a very large wallet from Rough and Tumble, and it fits inside here. And I move the glasses around. Sorry, kind of chunk those at the end. The water bottle. So those go in there. So now I have a water bottle and a giant glasses case. Then I have my keys with a AirPods Pro and a little case on that. So that goes in there. And just for fun, I have my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. So show you guys how that fits inside here. Front, look inside. So that also fits in here. And if I get the water bottle moved out of the way. And then, there we go. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. So she's pretty full with my very chunky glasses case. Very full, which is fine. I usually don't carry too much stuff, but it's fun to stuff these guys and see what we can get to fit in there. This right here is very sturdy and it holds these handles very well, if you look. I also really like the top handle, right? You can take it with just the top handle. That's another way that I really like to carry my bags, so that's a lot of fun for me. So let's take things out. It's a Mary Poppins bag. So this is a very large wallet, if you guys can see. This is a crossbody wallet. So it's very large. There we go. Chunky glasses case. Yes. So this is an iPad Pro 11-inch. And I wanted to show you guys that this does fit inside here if you do it right. So if you turn it sideways, right, this has a case on it. This is the iPad 11 Pro or whatever that is, 11.5 inch. So if you take it and you slide it in there and you turn it, it does fit. So that is very nice because I use this for taking notes instead of using paper notepads. It does smell really good. It's full grain leather. I'm gonna give you guys a view. And then I would probably use this back pocket generally for my very chunky keys, and they'll fit right in there, right? Easy, I like it. And then I will probably carry a water bottle and my wallet, and definitely my glasses case. Awesome, so I like all the ways that you can carry this. So you can carry it by the handles, you can carry it crossbody, you can carry it shoulder carry, you can carry it backpack mode, or I have not tried this yet, but I've seen and thought about it. If you stay clipped to this side and then clipped to this side, you could also wear it like a one shoulder backpack, like across your back, right? So I thought that was really neat and I want to try that out. I'm gonna go in and use this nice, beautiful bag for 30 days. And then I'm gonna come back and kind of give you guys my feedback and let you guys know what I thought about it, how she wore, and just overall impressions. So definitely come and look for this video. Look for the Dylari videos. Come to Herder Lodge, come to Herder Market, and hang out with us. We would love to have you there, and you will get to talk and be with other like-minded people who are very passionate about leather and about enabling others, about getting the word out for artisans, and really just trying to find the perfect leather bag, the perfect wallet, the things that are exactly what you want, and then the hunt always continues. So I wanted to compare this as well with a well-known item on our page. It's a Love 41 backpack. It's a city backpack, and many of the ladies have this same backpack. So for size reference, I wanted to bring this out, guys. Look how closely in size these are. The Love 41 is definitely taller, right? And the Dylari is wider. And here's the back. And then it's on the sides. But this is a well-known backpack. So I kind of wanted to show you that really quick so you could kind of see what you thought. So I'll put that back here. Again, this is the Dylari Mini Aria backpack in the two-tone leather. So come join us, ask lots of questions on the page, and I will be there to answer them and give you guys feedback and let you know what I think. Really excited to see you guys there. Thanks for watching.